Okay, so what do we got here today? This is the Western Digital MyBook hard drive, 8 terabytes high capacity. Let's have a look inside here. Let's unbox this thing. Yeah, so first of all, we got here this information card letting you know in case you have any trouble setting up this hard drive, connecting it to your computer, then you go online and contact their customer service for assistance. And then here we have the actual hard drive in black. This is how it looks like. Very clean design. On top you have here some venting slots, also on the bottom, because this thing does not come with a fan in it, so it's pretty quiet. Then the backside has the connector for USB 3. And then here also the power. And then we also have here the Kensington lock in case you want to secure it. Yeah, here the vents on the top and on the bottom once more. You want to make sure that these are open, that the hard drive can breathe when you're operating it. And what else do we got here in the box? It's not a whole lot else in there. Cable, paper here, power supply, and some instructions probably. Let's have a quick look at this. Warranty information. 3-year warranty, by the way. And then here, power supply. I don't know if you can read this here. I'm gonna hold this up against the camera. 12 volts, 1.5 amps. And then here the USB cable, USB 3, of course. And that's already it. Alright.